Welcome back for another comp price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and reasons why comp needs to continue holding above the $36.2 mark, and also give you the price action to expect in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, comp is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that after putting in place the low on the 23rd, that is on the 10th of June at around the $23 mark, comp was able to see this massive bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the $83 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then afterwards, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement area for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $53.79 mark and the $36.5 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that comp has now been able to put in place the low for the second wave, and maybe in the next coming hours or maybe the next coming days we can easily see a reaction of the target area and continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. And I believe that whole movement to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 wholly depends on what Bitcoin continues to do. And in case we see further breakdown on the BTC chart, then I will still be expecting further weakness on the comp chart. But in case we see a reversal, maybe CBTC give us a surge to $28k mark, there are high chances that we can also see comp continue gearing up and see a break above significant areas of resistances. And assuming that comp is not going to give us one more new low in the formation of this wave 2, I can give you a target area for the third wave at the fib level, that is using the trend-based Fibonacci's, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $132.71 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect the third wave to the upper side to do. And before that plays out, we also need to see comp give us a break above significant highs. And in case we see a reaction of the target area continue gearing up, the first target area that I'm expecting comp to break is at around the $50 mark, and a break above that with a successful retest, then we can easily see comp get above the $55 mark. You also need to have in mind that after seeing the massive breakdown on the 17th of June, which is the latest massive breakdown that we have seen in the last few months, you can see that comp has been stuck within this range that is right here between the $39.46 mark and the $43.72 mark. And maybe in the next coming hours, we might see a break out of this range. And if the breakout plays out to the upper side, then we can easily see comp continue gearing up and get above the $50 mark. But if by any chance we see the breakout to the lower side, then I will be expecting further breakdown where we can easily see comp give us a reset of the low that we made on the 17th of June at around the $35 mark. That is the alternative scenario that we can expect in case further breakdown continues. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the comp chart, on the long term and also on the short term. And those are my breakout targets and also my breakdown targets. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 33 mark. fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, also fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.